Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to make a square out of a rectangular paper. First, let me talk about origami papers. Ori means to fold and gami means paper in Japanese. There are different sizes and colors. There are even silver colors and gold colors. Patterns may be printed. Two sides may have different colors. There are even transparent sheets. When we do origami, we may need to use square origami papers instead of rectangular papers. You may not always have a square paper, but don't worry. I'm going to show you how to make a square paper out of a rectangular paper. What you need today is a rectangular paper like a copy paper or flyer paper, a pencil, straight edge, and a pair of scissors. Place the longer sides at the top and the bottom. Match the shorter side on the left with the longer side at the top. Match them precisely together. Crease the mounting fold. Mark 2 points. One at the top and another at the bottom of the edge of the right side of the triangle. Unfold the top triangle. Connect the 2 points using a straight edge. Cut along the line. Here you have a square paper. Thank you for making a square with us today. Please subscribe so that we can do origami together again.